In this video, I will show you how to format a USB or external drive on Ubuntu. Formatting a drive will erase all data on it, so make sure to back up anything important before you start. First, connect your USB or external drive to your computer. Wait a few seconds for Ubuntu to recognize the device. Next, open the application called Disks. You can find it by clicking on the Activities button in the left corner, typing Disks in the search bar, and clicking the Disks app icon. In Disks, look at the list on the left side. Find your USB or external drive. Be careful to select the correct drive. After selecting the drive, look at the partitions below. If your drive has existing partitions, you need to delete them first. Now, click the plus button to create a new partition. A window will appear. Choose the size. Usually, the maximum size is fine. For the type, select Compatible with all systems and devices, which is the FAT file system. This is also called FAT32. If you want to use the drive only on Linux systems, you can select Ext4. Then, give the partition a name if you want. Click Create to make the new partition. This will format the drive. Once done, click the play button or eject the drive safely from the Disks app. Now your USB or external drive is ready to use. Remember, formatting deletes everything on the drive. Always check that you have the right drive before starting. That is how you format a USB or external drive on Ubuntu. Thanks for watching.